Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create highlight effect in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. First, go to the video basics, click blend, adjust the opacity to around 60%. Then, duplicate a copy as an overlay layer. Adjust the overlay layer's opacity to 100%. Next, go to the video mask, choose circle. Adjust the mask size and position to ensure the circle matches the person or object you want to highlight. Add some feathering. If the highlight isn't very clear, you can reduce the opacity of the base video layer. Or click on the duplicate. Go to the adjustment, increase the brightness a bit. Then, add mask keyframes at the start. Move the playhead forward and reposition and resize the circle to create new keyframes. Repeat this process to make the circle mask follow the movement you want to highlight. Next, go to the Effect tab, search for Camera Frame. Choose a suitable camera frame, drag it onto the timeline, and adjust the duration to match the video. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.